6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, so the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. Right to right. C prep. 5, 6, 7. We're going to give her what looks like a double, but it's really 1.5. So I'm going to be going over. 1, touch and go. 2, 3. The left arm's going to stay in place. The right arm's going to come over. As we step back, make her step forward. 5. Bring her back on 6. Right hand starts turning her to the left on 7. So now I'm going to straighten her out on 1. Prepping her in. So now I'm going to be turning her to the right. 2, 3. Palms up. 2, 3. I'm going to get off the slot and do a side basic. 5, 6, 7. The reason why I'm doing a side basic so she can see this left hand behind my back and grab it. So the left arm's going to be staying low. The right arm's going to be going over the head for a Copa. 1. We're going to let go of that left hand. It's only for a second. Now we're going to pull forward with the right. 2. Start turning her on 3. So now left hand is going to grab her wrist on 5 as we check forward on 6, in place on 7. So now we're going to stay in front of her, bring her towards you on 1. We're going to flick the hand, catch the wrist. 2. Now on 3, we're going to start turning her, catching the hand. 3. Stay in front of her. 5. Keep turning her. 6, 7. Going to give her a cross body leap. Guys, do a reverse right. 1. We're going to hook. 2. Keep turning. 3. Keep turning. 5. Hand goes over. 6, 7. So now I'm going to be giving her a 2.5 right. So I'm going to be bringing her in on 1. I'm going to be going over the head on 2. Back to back on 3. Follow her on 5. Palm up. Drape. 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body leap. 1, 2, 3. To prep. 5, 6, 7. We're going to do 1.5 turn. So we're going 1, 2, 3. We're going to face the opposite direction. Cross in front on 5. Go back on 6. Go back on 7. Start turning to the left. Now we're going to do half a turn to the left on 1. We're going to turn to the right on 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Reach over with your left hand. Then we're going to do a Copa. We're going to go 1, 2, turn on 3. Now we're going to lunge forward. 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to turn halfway to the right on 1, 2, then turn to the left on 3. Turn 5, 6, 7. Cross body leap. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 2.5 right. So we're going 1, 2, cha cha cha. 5, 6, 7. Cross body leap. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
What's up guys, it's Scott from Casa Salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here so you're able to stay updated with all of our videos to come. And also make sure you check out our website in the description below so you can have more access to exclusive content and even take a live class with us. See you there.